Welcome to Top-Notch Crochet World. They say crochet is just yarn and needles, but wait until you see what it can do to your home and your heart. When Clara moved into her first apartment, the walls were bare, the shelves empty, and everything felt cold. She had worked so hard to earn that space, but it didn't feel like hers yet. One evening, while scrolling online for decor ideas, she stumbled upon a handmade crochet wall hanging. It wasn't flashy or perfect, it was simple, textured, and full of warmth. Something about it spoke to her. She ordered it, not realizing that tiny decision would completely change how she saw her home. When it arrived, Clara unfolded it slowly. The pattern had a rhythm, each loop and knot placed with care. She could almost feel the hands that made it, the patience, the love, the quiet dedication behind every stitch. She hung it by her bedside, and suddenly her room didn't just look better. It felt alive. That's what crochet does. It carries soul. Crochet design isn't something your grandma used to make for fun. It's an art form, a blend of creativity, texture, and comfort all wrapped in one. Each piece tells a story of time and care. Whether it's a soft throw blanket draped across your couch, a handmade pillow brightening your bed, or a delicate table runner catching the morning sunlight, crochet decor adds a kind of beauty that store-bought items just can't match. Every stitch represents someone's time, someone's patience, someone's love. You can't mass-produce that. You can't put a barcode on that kind of beauty. But here's the thing. Many people still think crochet is fragile, high maintenance, or old-fashioned. They picture dusty lace doilies or delicate threads that fall apart after one wash. The truth is, crochet is far tougher than it looks. Those soft yarns are woven into tight, structured stitches that can last for generations when treated right. Think of crochet as fabric art, not just fabric. Like any work of art, it needs gentle care, not constant worry. If you've ever wondered how to keep your crochet pieces looking beautiful, here's the secret. Treat them kindly. When it's time to clean, hand wash gently using mild soap and cold water. Avoid bleach or heat. They can weaken fibers and fade colors. Never twist or wring it out. Just press out the water softly between your palms. To dry, lay it flat on a towel and reshape it while it's damp. Never hang it to dry. Gravity can stretch those careful stitches. And for daily upkeep, a simple soft brush or lint roller will remove dust easily. If wrinkles appear, use a handheld steamer, but never press it directly on the yarn. Crochet is like a gentle soul. A little warmth brings it back to life. When you're not using your crochet items, store them in breathable cotton or linen bags, not plastic. Cotton lets your crochet breathe and stay fresh, preventing that musty scent. Do this, and you'll see something magical. Over time, crochet doesn't wear out, it evolves. The fibers soften, the colors stay rich, and the texture deepens. Each piece becomes part of your home story. Clara learned this too. Years later, when she moved again, this time into a bigger place, she carefully packed that same crochet wall hanging. It had faded just a little around the edges, but that only made it more special. It reminded her of how far she had come, from a quiet apartment to a full, joyful home. When she hung it up again, her daughter asked, "Mom, why do you keep that old thing?" Clara smiled and said, "Because it's not just decoration. It's part of us." And that's the real beauty of crochet decor. It's not disposable. It's not a passing trend or something you swap out every season. It's personal. It grows with you, carries your memories, and adds heart to your home. Each time you see it, you don't just see yarn. You see patience, passion, and care woven together in color and form. You see the comfort of home, the softness of human touch, and the story of craft that never fades. So when you bring crochet into your space, you're not just decorating, you're preserving tradition, supporting artistry, and creating warmth that lasts a lifetime. Because at top-notch crochet world, every stitch tells a story, and every home deserves one.